Want to bring content from another site into WordPress? In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to import posts, pages, and media effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log in to wordpress.com and open your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Tools, then select Import. Here, you'll see several options for importing content. Today, we're focusing on importing from another WordPress site, so click the WordPress Import option. Next, choose Import Content only if you just want to bring over posts, pages, and media without changing your theme or settings. Now it's time to upload your exported WordPress files. Drag them into the upload area or click to browse your system and select them manually. Once the files are uploaded, WordPress will process the import. Depending on the size of your content, this may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the import is complete, review your posts, pages, and media in the dashboard to ensure everything transferred correctly. And that's it. You've successfully imported content into WordPress, making it easy to migrate or consolidate your site. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring WordPress and make the most of your content management.